Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will see how we can make a custom navigation drawer. So we will place a button over here. By clicking on this button we have to pop the navigation drawer. Okay, let's start with some coding. So this is just a simple app. So we will using a simple single child scroll view, and we are using a column as well. Okay, so first of all let me create a file called navigation drawer dot. Okay, so we are using a custom navigation drawer. Okay, so by importing material page dot, let me uh, uh, create a navigation drawer over here. Okay, so we have to create a custom widget. Let's create a widget called custom navigation drawer. Drawer. Okay, so we are using custom navigation drawer. We have to use scaffold. And scaffold in the body we have to use a safe area so that our content would not over the our battery icons. So we are having a column, and this we are having a children. Okay, so let's create a sized box. No, sorry, let's create a container with the height of, let's say, 100 and a width of, let's say 200. Okay, color, using color property, and we have to assign a color called color dot, let's say blue accent. Okay, so this is the container and we have to show it over this page. So you can see right now we are having this screen. Okay, so let's create, let me do it side by side. Okay, so we can see that we are using what we are coding. Okay, so here, so by using a scaffold we are having a property name drawer, and we have to just assign this our custom navigation drawer. Okay, so you can see that we are having a custom navigation drawer over here. Let's restart our app and see if we got the problems as well. Okay, so we are having a error because I'm using Firebase, so this must be some problem with it. So let's close this app and rerun our app. Let me pause the video. Now our app is running, so you can see that our app is running. So by just swiping right, you can see that we are having a container that we just created for our navigation drawer. Here you can see. Now what should you need to do? You have to create a container so that you can just you have to create a navigation drawer, and we all know that navigation drawer is just like a width of almost here or here or here. So we have to keep our width 70% of our device width. Okay, so how we can do it? Just by returning a scaffold, you have to wrap this inside a container, and inside a container you are having a width. You have to calculate it using media query. Okay, media query dot of context dot size dot width. By using this, you have all the width of your screen size, and we have a width property of our container. Width cross 0. Let's say 6%. So what it will do, it will just restrict our container to 6% of our width. So let's see we are having only 6% of our device ratio. Okay, so you can see that. Now what we need to do here is we have to wrap our we have to design a navigation drawer first. So I am having a image that is just inside our images folder. Okay, so I have to just instead of using container, I have to use an image. Okay, by using an image, we are restricting it to 100 height and 100 width. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. We have to restart it. See, we are having an image. Okay, now we need to center it. Okay, and by using a main axis alignment dot center, let's see, it will center vertically, but we need to center it horizontally. So we have to use cross axis alignment dot center. Okay, let's see, by using restart it, we are not getting the output right. So instead of using scaffold here, we have to use center widget, and let's see that if we get our desired output. No, we are not getting desired output. Okay, so wrap this column inside a center widget. Let's restart it, and we are getting our output. Okay, just remove this and restart it. We'll see we are not getting any impact on it. We just need to comment this out and see we are getting proper output. Okay, and let's say we are using something a list style, so that we want to decorate our navigation drawer. So let's give a sized box over there. Height must be, let's say, 10 pixel, and we have to refresh it. Okay, see, now we have to give sized box again, this time 20%, and we have to create a list style. And in this list style, we are having a property leading. In this leading, we are using icon. It's up to you, you can use anything you want. Icons dot, let's say, person, sorry, icons dot profile, sorry. Let's say, obviously we can use anything we want. Okay, so here we are having an icon. Let's give an icon to a color by using color property, colors dot black. Okay, and now I have to define a title text. Let's say we set show card. Okay, and let's refresh it. Let's see what we are getting the output. So you can see that we are getting an output named as show card. Okay. Let's copy paste this. Okay, let's say you called it as profile icons dot let's say home. Okay, call it as home, and you need to, let's say you want to make a button named as logout. Okay, usually the logout is on the bottom of the screen, so let's create a logout button with the list style as well. What we need to do here, we have to use a spacer over here. Thus, okay, let's restart it. So you can see that we are having a show card button at the end, and we have to use dot exit to our app. Okay, and called it as log out. So you can see that we are having a button at the end named as logout. So it's up to you. You can use any design that you want by just using your design knowledge, and I'm keeping it very simple. So we are having a now we can see that we don't have any button, so that we pressed the button and navigation drawer is opened. Okay, so here we are having a navigation drawer. For this, first create a button over here. We are having an icon button. Okay, on the press of the button we have to show our navigation drawer icon, navigation drawer. Okay, so let's see. I'm having an icons dot we called it as show what the icon is need to do. Let's say this, we are having an icon named this. Okay, so let's refresh it. Okay, so we are having an icon on the on our right side, on our top. So we need to uh, we have to place it on the left side. So by wrapping this inside sorry, by wrapping this inside our main axis alignment, we are having main axis alignment dot start. So let's see. So you can see that we are having icon on the left side. So first declare a sized box of height let's say 10, sorry, height of 10. So here you can see that the icon is over there. So we just need to press this icon. After pressing this icon, we need to show our custom drawer. Okay, by this you have to create a scaffold key. So here is the scaffold key that you need to create. Okay, so it's okay if you want to create here, or you can also create here as well. It's all up to you. Okay, we are having a scaffold key, and inside our scaffold here we have to place it like, let's say here I am using key, and we have to specify the name scaffold key. Okay, by using this scaffold key I have to open our drawer, and on press, let's code this one scaffold dot so we are having different properties over there. We are having scaffold dot current context dot sorry, we're not using current context, we are using current state dot, sorry, current state. So I've already created this, let me see, it's scaffold key dot current state dot open, current state dot open drawer. So let's refresh it and just press this. So boom, we are having our uh, we are having our custom drawer opening. See, after clicking on this you can see that we can open custom drawer. See, it's very simple, and you can use whatever design you want. It's all up to you. I am just showing you the right way to build our custom drawer. So it's all up to you. So you can see that if we click on back button, so it also close it. So we are having another property called close drawer. It's up to you if you want to close it by using, let's say you want to make anything like sorry, here I'm having an open drawer, sorry. So let's discuss with another video. So you can see that. Thank you for the video. So please give a comment. I'm having a very bad English, so don't do with it, so don't mess with it as well. So kindly focus uh, on the the concepts that I am giving to you. So thank you for this video. And you can also reduce and decrease height as well using, let's say, 0.6% means 6% of our height. So if we are using 0.7%, so you will see that we are having a 7% of our height. Okay, so let's say give it 8%. 0.08 means 8%. See, so this is it from my side. Thank you for the tutorial. Please do like, share and comment as well, and if you are having any doubts you can contact with me as well. Thank you.